Page 31, Broken Chord Etude. Well, here we're dealing with broken chords. And again, there's a lot of patterns. I mean, there's thousands of patterns of broken chords. This is just one of them. Etude, remember, is a study piece. So it's a study piece on broken chords. And you see them there. The first measure, you see the three notes together, it's a C chord. Second measure is a C chord. And the next one, it's first inversion, then second inversion, then a G chord. Basically, it's what it is. So look it over, 3 lines long, treble and bass clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature. We're in the key of C major. Make sure you can do the C major scale, blah, blah, blah. You've heard it before. Okay, 3/4 time signature. We got quarter notes and dotted half notes. We can deal with that. Go take both hands at the same time because it's one hand or the other playing. It's just broken chords. It's just here. As I'm playing this hand, I'm getting the next hand ready to go. So I'm moving one hand while I'm playing the other because the beat needs to be a steady beat, and I want to connect all of this. Remember that that's a 1, 2, 4 there. I like that fingering now. 2, 3, 1, rest, rest. You get that? That's basically it. Now the last 3 measures or so at the bottom, you're here. Your fourth finger on the C here. Because we had to come out just a little bit there, and that's fine. Okay, because I want to connect it. I want you to have the notes and the rhythms and okay, and no hesitations anywhere. You think about the articulation. And the only articulation they're giving you is at the beginning, between the stabs, you have the word legato. That means connect the notes. Play it all smooth. Because if they didn't tell you legato, if they left it wide open, it would be up to you how you wanted to play. You could play it staccato or legato or a mix in between them. But when they put it in there, now you don't have much of a choice. You just connect them. Here. Just connect them. As far as the dynamics go, MP, mezzo piano, whatever you think sort of soft is, both hands. The second line, you have the hairpin, you're going to go up to loud. So mezzo piano, a little louder, loud. So, and then back down to mezzo piano. At that bottom, the last 3 measures, you get the hairpin to go down to soft. Again, you kind of got to feel these dynamics. Speed andantino. Well, I don't like andantino, but it's kind of it's like andante, sort of. Because you think, well, moderato's somewhere in the middle, and that's the overall feel of it. It's not necessarily the speed of the beat. It's moderato would be, to me, that's moderato. So this is going to be a little slower than that. That's my feeling at this time. With a couple more cups of coffee, I'm sure I would play it a little different. That's it. Let's play it together slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics, just notes and rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 2, 3, tie, rest, rest.